Tokyo, a city of neon dreams, ancient shrines, futuristic tech, and unexpected serenity. Home to more than 14 million people, Tokyo isn't just the world's most populous metropolis, it's a living, breathing organism. It pulses with tradition and innovation in equal measure. Here, thousand-year-old temples sit just blocks away from glowing skyscrapers, and amidst all that, you'll find moments of stillness that surprise you. Whether you're a wide-eyed first-timer or a returning traveler chasing new corners of the city, Tokyo welcomes you with open arms. If you've only got 5 or 6 days, don't worry, that's plenty to taste the many flavors of this dynamic city. Here's a curated plan that blends must-sees with some off-the-beaten-path gems, giving you a truly well-rounded Tokyo experience.
Let's talk logistics. Getting around Tokyo may look like a nightmare at first. The tangle of train lines looks like a plate of multicolored spaghetti. But here's the secret. Once you get the hang of it, it's one of the most efficient, clean, and punctual systems on the planet. Your MVP here is the Yamanote Line, a green circular rail that loops around the city, connecting the biggest and most iconic neighborhoods, Shinjuku, Shibuya, Ueno, Ikebukuro, Tokyo Station, and more. Think of it as Tokyo's lifeline. A full loop takes just over an hour, and chances are, you'll ride this train almost daily. To make your travel smoother, get yourself an IC card like Suica or Pasmo. These rechargeable smart cards work on pretty much every train, bus, and subway in Tokyo, and even across many other Japanese cities. Top it up with around 5,000 yen to start, and you're good to go. You can also use it at convenience stores, vending machines, lockers, even some cafes. But due to ongoing chip shortages, these cards can sometimes be unavailable. If that happens, don't sweat it. You can use Apple Pay Suica on your phone or pick up a Welcome Suica, which is designed specifically for tourists. Tip: always tap out, even if there's no gate. Otherwise, you might get charged the max fare. If you're flying into Narita Airport, try to arrive in the afternoon at the latest. It can take an hour or more just to get into the city center, and Japanese trains shut down around midnight. Plus, you'll want time to pick up your pocket Wi-Fi or SIM card and maybe grab a snack before diving into your first Tokyo night. Once you step outside, whether it's neon signs glowing in Shinjuku or the quiet alleys of Asakusa, you'll feel it. You're in Tokyo. And every moment counts.
Day 1, temples, towers, and Tokyo icons. Kick off your Tokyo journey with a visit to Sensoji Temple in Asakusa, Tokyo's oldest and most spiritual landmark. Arrive early, ideally at sunrise, to see it without the crowds. Walk through the imposing Keminaramen Gate, past the iconic giant lantern, and onto Nakamai Street, where traditional snack shops and souvenir stalls line the path to the temple. There's something humbling about the way incense wafts through the crisp morning air. Afterward, stroll over to the Sumida River, where cherry trees line the bank in spring. Consider a boat ride for a peaceful, scenic start to your day, offering a fantastic view of Tokyo's Skytree, the tallest structure in Japan and a symbol of the city's reach into the future. And that odd gold structure next to the river? That's the Asahi Beer Hall with its infamous golden sculpture, affectionately dubbed by locals as the Golden Turd. Tokyo humor at its finest.
As the sun sets, it's time for something completely different, Shibuya Crossing. Thousands of people flow through this intersection like clockwork. It's organized chaos, a perfect symbol of Tokyo's energy. Explore nearby Center Gai, packed with restaurants, game arcades, and karaoke bars. For dinner, duck into a narrow ramen joint or an izakaya for grilled skewers and cold beer, Tokyo's version of comfort food.
Day 2, Serenity and Subcultures. Start with a dose of calm at the Imperial Palace East Gardens. Just a short walk from Tokyo Station, it's a beautifully preserved pocket of serenity. Expect koi ponds, stone bridges, and an ever-changing display of seasonal flowers, from plum blossoms in February to irises in June.
Then head to Kadoragafuchi, where you can rent a rowboat and paddle along a cherry blossom-covered moat that looks like something out of a fairy tale. During Sakura season, this is one of the most photogenic places in the city.
In the afternoon, shift gears in Akihabara, Tokyo's mecca of geek culture. Whether you're into anime, retro games, or rare electronics, you'll find your niche here. Pop into a multi-story arcade, browse manga shops, or visit a maid cafe for a truly unique and very quirky experience.
As night falls, head to Shinjuku. Start with Omoide Yokocho, also known as Memory Lane, where tiny yakitori stalls and old-school pubs line the alley. Then venture into Golden Guy, a maze of microbars, each with its own theme and vibe. Some are jazz bars, some play punk rock, others host poetry nights, but all are intimate and unforgettable.
Day 3, Shrines, Shopping and Skyline Views. Begin the day with a peaceful walk through the massive torii gates of Meiji Shrine, nestled inside Yoyogi Park. It feels like stepping into a forest temple, which is exactly what it is. If you're lucky, you might witness a traditional Shinto wedding ceremony, complete with white robes and taiko drums.
Just outside is Takeshita Street, the beating heart of Tokyo's youth culture. Expect outrageous fashion, candy-colored shops, and plenty of photo ops. Grab a Harajuku crepe, stuffed with everything from strawberries to cheesecake, and soak in the energy.
Take a stroll down Omotesando, Tokyo's catwalk street. It's a feast for the eyes, with architectural gems and flagship boutiques from global fashion houses. Whether you shop or window browse, it's worth walking just for the vibe.
Wrap up your day at Tokyo Tower. It may look familiar, it was inspired by the Eiffel Tower, but its orange glow and panoramic views of the city are distinctly Tokyo. The observation deck offers a breathtaking 360-degree cityscape, especially stunning after dark.
Day 4, escape the city without leaving. On day 4, take a break from Tokyo's buzz. Just 40 minutes away, Yokohama offers ocean breezes and a more laid-back atmosphere. Explore Minato Mirai, ride the giant Cosmo Clock 21 Ferris wheel, and visit the quirky Cup Noodles Museum where you can create your own custom ramen cup.
If you're a Studio Ghibli fan, you can't miss the Ghibli Museum in Mitaka. Tickets must be reserved in advance, but it's worth every bit of effort. The whimsical exhibits, hidden doors, and rooftop robot from Laputa make it feel like stepping inside a Miyazaki movie. No photography allowed, but maybe that makes the magic feel even more real.
Prefer hiking over ramen? Try Mount Takao, about an hour from Shinjuku. It's a mix of forest trails, temples, and food stalls with panoramic views and, on clear days, even a glimpse of Mount Fuji. You can hike or take the scenic cable car. Either way, it's a beautiful escape.
Day 5, futuristic art in Tokyo's seaside playground. End your Tokyo trip on a high note, or better yet, a surreal one, at TeamLab Planets in Toyosu. It's not just a museum, it's an experience. You walk barefoot through knee-deep water, mirrored floors, and rooms that seem to react to your presence. It's ethereal, immersive, and truly unforgettable.
Afterward, walk over to Toyosu Market, the modern evolution of the famous Tsukiji fish market. Watch expert chefs prepare sushi so fresh it almost melts, and enjoy your last meal in Tokyo with the ocean just a heartbeat away.
Finally, spend your last few hours in Odaiba. Visit the life-size Gundam statue, walk along the seaside promenade, and catch the sunset behind the glowing Rainbow Bridge. It's a cinematic way to say goodbye.
Day 6, hidden traditions in Yanaka. Before you say goodbye to Tokyo, take a step back in time with a visit to Yanaka, one of the few neighborhoods that survived the bombings of World War II. Often called Old Tokyo, Yanaka offers a glimpse into what the city looked like a century ago. Wander through narrow, winding streets lined with traditional wooden houses, artisan shops, and cozy cafes. Visit Yanaka Ginza, a charming shopping street where locals pick up everything from handmade sweets to cat-themed souvenirs. Fitting, since Yanaka is famous for its many resident cats. Don't miss Yanaka Cemetery, especially during cherry blossom season, when the entire park turns into a sea of pink petals. It's a peaceful, reflective way to end your Tokyo journey, a quiet celebration of the city's resilience, beauty, and soul.
Tokyo is more than just a destination. It's a feeling, a series of fleeting yet unforgettable moments. From the quiet hush of a shrine at sunrise to the glittering chaos of Shibuya at midnight, it leaves its mark on you. You won't remember every train ride or every shop you browsed, but you will remember how the city made you feel. If this guide helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, where are you heading next in Japan? And if you thought Tokyo was cool, wait till you see how I spent 3 perfect days in Osaka, Japan's kitchen, and arguably its most fun city. Check that video out next. This is DSV Travel Trips, signing off. See you in Japan, movie camera.